From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, pretty nice weather out there across the region today. Clouds still flirting with the region as well. So we have sunny skies to the north, cloudy skies to the south. And let's get to our drone shot. We have one this afternoon. Beautiful weather across the area. Temperatures topping out in the lower 80s this afternoon. It's been partly to at times mostly cloudy skies, and then we've also had periods of sunshine as we look at our drone cam across the region. Again, pretty nice weather day across the board with some breaks in the clouds, and then the clouds are a little bit thicker as we look down toward the coast, but overall looks to be a pretty sunset this evening as well, and that comes up right around 6 o'clock, and next week at this time it'll be right around 5 o'clock or so. So let's kick it upstairs and take a look at what's going on. High pressure kind of moving in, dominating the western Gulf and bringing drier, more stable air through the region. But here's the next big weather maker. It's going to bring showers and storms to our part of the world come late Friday into Saturday. But before it does that, it's going to be a big snow maker across a good chunk of the Rockies. Look at all the winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in purple here, all the way back through the Sierra Nevada, up through portions of Oregon, and then into Idaho, and then Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, even snow as far south as Arizona on this one. Snow in around the Santa Fe, Taos area as well. Durango area looks like some pretty heavy snow. Upwards of a foot or two of snow possible in the big mountains off to the west. Now for us, it's been just fair to partly cloudy skies. You see this lingering cloud deck. That's going to stick around for a good part of the evening, but then break up a little bit. Meanwhile, tropics. First time in quite a while, we have two hurricanes going in the month of November. Hurricane Martin out here in the North Atlantic still gaining steam. Could be up to a 90 or 100 mile per hour storm. Eventually, it'll be non-tropical, but it's still tropical at this point. This is going to be a huge, big storm up in the North Atlantic. Meanwhile, one that's impacting folks right now is Hurricane Lisa. Lisa making landfall just north of Belize City. Some very heavy rains and strong winds in Belize working its way into the Mexican coastline as well. Officially made landfall about an hour or so ago with 85 mile per hour winds, upwards of a 4 to 7 foot storm surge north of where this makes landfall, and the possibility of anywhere between 4 to 10 inches of rain through portions of Guatemala and Mexico as well. System remnant low circulation gets out here in the Bay of Campeche, but then it gets pushed back down to the south, so no concerns there. Severe weather-wise, as we head into tomorrow, ahead of the snows, you're going to see a risk of severe storms, Oklahoma, Texas panhandles. Then we move it into Friday from 7 in the morning Friday to 7 in the morning Saturday. A slight to enhanced risk of severe weather, much of East Texas into Oklahoma, Arkansas as well. There could be some pretty hefty storms going Friday. And notice this edges into the eastern portions of Acadiana, where we have a marginal to slight risk for all of Acadiana. And that slight risk picks up just west of Lafayette Parish on westward. Storms that could contain damaging winds, hail, and or isolated tornadoes. But as storms will be moving on through, they should be weakening, or the dynamics with them should be weakening, but we can't rule out severe weather and maybe a good soaking as well. We'll get to that in just a bit. Cloud cover lingering across the area overnight tonight and then through tomorrow, and then mostly sunny skies for tomorrow afternoon. We'll top out in the mid-80s. That's about 10 degrees above normal. Going into tomorrow night, Friday morning, here come the clouds, and they're going to stay with us most of Friday, even a few spotty showers Friday afternoon. And here's our frontal trough. You can see showers and storms. It looks like an organized squall line pushing on through after midnight Friday night and continuing on through daybreak Saturday with, you see that one squall line weakening, but more showers behind it. So we could get probably the best soaking we've seen in more than 2 months with this weather system. Fingers crossed. We need the rain. Anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain. This is on the Euro model. We'll take a look at that latest GFS that comes in at 6 o'clock to see how well this matches up. But the GFS certainly in the same territory. A couple of inches of rain certainly possible. So overnight tonight, a pleasant evening, partly cloudy skies, seasonable temperatures, a little bit warmer than normal, lower 60s. We should be in the mid to upper 50s this time of year. And as we mentioned, we should be in the mid 70s for highs this time of year, but we'll be in the mid 80s tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Those temperatures some 10 degrees above normal. Those clouds moving away from us during the course of the afternoon, and will be mostly clear as we get to sunset time for tomorrow evening. Moving into Friday, 40% chance of showers. We'll say the risk of strong storms Friday night into Saturday morning. Rain chance Friday night, Saturday early at 90%, drops to 30% on Sunday. We're back to Central Standard Time on Sunday, by the way. And then as we move on into next week, we will see temperatures still above normal, some nice weather, and hopefully a stronger front come the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.